Hello my loves, how are you? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this easy, lazy, knotted updo. So we'll begin with brushing our hair and make our parting, and then we want to divide all our hair into 4 equal sections. Then grabbing one of these sections, you want to wrap it around your 2 fingers and then make a knot like I'm showing and pin it in place. Make sure when you pin it, don't open your bobby pin, because this way you'll secure your hairstyle in place even better. So you want to continue these steps with all our 4 sections. You want to knot them and leave our ends out like I'm showing. And yes guys, I used only 1 bobby pin for every knot, but you can use 2 or 3 depending on how thick your hair is. Also, if your ends are longer, you want to wrap them around your every knot before pinning them in place. When our knots are ready and nice secured with bobby pins, we want to pull our hair from the crown to make it fuller and voluminous looking. Then you want to loosen even your knots to make our bun voluminous looking, and then grabbing the ends, you will want to hide them, pinning them in place. I'll leave some hair out because I like this look, and they're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what you think about this super quick lazy hairstyle. If you do, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you're new, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys so much. See you soon in my next hair tutorial. Mwah! Bye!